So I'm gonna start with lenses because I can't really see them well. My lenses are prescribed. By the way, for contact lens solution, this is the solution I use. Always, this is one of the best ones out there. All right, eye makeup. I'm so excited. I have my palettes over here. You guys can see. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Right. So these are the eyeshadow palettes that I have here. I have like a bunch of old palettes here as well. So this is one of the new ones I bought this recently. Really like it. Okay, I'll just put it out just in case if I feel like using it. And then I know I have like a few new palettes from ColourPop. Oh my god, this one! Maybe I should use this one. Oh my god, this. Okay. Alright. I think that's better. So the first color I'm going to be taking is Double Team. What I'm doing here is I'm just placing the color here and blending it towards like, I want to say 1/3 of the eyelid and kind of winging it. And the color itself is not super deep either, so it's easy to blend. Easy to build. I love shades like that where you can kind of build it slowly. Also, it's so crazy to think that I will be literally 31 in 7 days. I do not know what's the plan with this eye makeup. We're just rolling with it and we're figuring it out. I think I should have used like a fluffier brush. I'm gonna use like a bigger brush than this one. This is nice to kind of place your shadow, but you always need like a shadow, like a brush that is a little bit fluffier than that. So I'm just gonna be using this one. By the way, all the brushes I'm using are from Jason Beauty. I love their eye brushes. Their brushes are so similar to Sigma Beauty brushes, and I'm affiliated with both the brands, so I'm not gonna like benefit from just hyping one than the other. And now we're picking up Quick Attack on the same blending brush, tapping out the excess, and we're just gonna blend the first shade with this one. So from the Silver Lining palette, I'm taking this shade instead of the black. I was gonna go do the black, but then I thought I have like a little brown thing going on. I don't want to like make it super crazy, so I still want it to be like more daytime wearable. So I'm placing this right here. That's great. It's not too dark. Oh, that's perfection. All right, great. I'm so glad I didn't pick up the black yet. I mean, if I need it, I will definitely put some black, but it's always nice to build up. And I'm gonna take the bigger brush. This brush has nothing, so I'm just using it to blend it out even further. Placing it right at the outer corner. This one, I'm gonna be focusing it mostly onto the outer V, like literally towards the end of the outer V, and not bring it too much into the inside. And at this point, I think a little bit of this purple would actually look really nice. A little bit of the purple here. Oh, I love that. Okay, so we're doing a little bit purple onto the middle part of the lid area. So kind of like blending the gray onto the empty part of the lid area with the purple. Adding colors little at a time instead of putting like this much and then just, you know? And then this one over here. I'm just gonna mix both this and this. So I'm gonna take this and this, kind of have like a lighter beige moment. But if you don't have this shade, don't worry about it. If you have your pressed powder, use your pressed powder. The pressed powder that matches your skin tone. This is just for the inner corner. It's not important even. So I'm just gonna take the both shade, kind of brighten this inner part a little bit. Do you see? I mean, it does make a difference though, but yeah, you can always use even your pressed face powder for this. It's not a big deal. Right over here. Also, I forgot to tell you where I plan on putting the glitter. I just plan on putting it like right over here, like onto the center where I put most of the purple on. So it'll be on top of the purple or here. Okay, so I'm just gonna be applying it right on top of where I put the glitter. Oh my goodness, I love that. You know, it also like reflects a little bit pink. This is crazy because here it looks green. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, and I have tried so many mascaras, but this is the only one that I really love. Like, it holds my lashes. I don't have like a lot of lashes, and my lashes are pretty stubborn and straight. So when I curl them, I need the mascara to hold that lash. Lip Contour by Huda Beauty. Let's do warm brown. So much better. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little messy, a little all over the place, not the best lighting setup, but thank you so much for watching if you have watched it till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.